Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.
Hi, and welcome back to Tanky's Playtime, the Tinker channel, brought to you here today in 4K. What can we say, we must be moving up the world. So, this is just going to be a quick little video just because I bought a few bits for the tractor because I decided that I sort of put it away a little bit and it's not going to get done. So, onwards and upwards, let's push on. The one that I'm really intrigued by is this power steering kit here. Never fitted one, you know, and there's not much on YouTube. There is about some bits already fitted, but never like looking into what the kit actually is and entails. Now, obviously there's two kits. There is a normal pulley and a wide pulley. The wide pulley should be for things like this, you know, an old EA1 major with a wide crank pulley, which basically, if you don't know the between the two, is basically your thickness of your fan belt, basically, it's a width of it. Now this one should be a wide one, but obviously we've got a different engine in this, so it'll only be a normal belt. So it makes it a little bit cheaper as well. So in this video we are going to open up the box, have a good gander at what's in there. Obviously it will come with fitting instructions, but I don't think I'm going to be fitting it quite the way they said to fit it, because obviously I've got remake brackets and whatnot to take the power steering pump. So without further ado, I think we cue the music and break these kits open. And don't forget also to like and subscribe and smash that bell button. Let's crack on with this. So, what we got? Let's start here, I suppose. Now this is a big box of not a lot. Really? Well packaged. Old pin and bush for steering. And one invoice. Oh! Oh, okay. What we got is set fitting instructions, so that's quite cool. That's handy to know. I mean, yeah, fit the oil reservoir one to the top of the cylinder head, blah blah blah. So yeah, good set fit instructions, and obviously yeah. So that's sitting here in it. Okay, let's take that away. And I've also got a new pin for the steering, new pin and bush. Here's on my boat. New pin, new bush. Yeah, it's pretty good quality. Got a piece in there, sorted. So, right, let's open the big box up. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's get the camera closer. So we've got a nice little oil tank. Lid. Oh, I didn't get oil for this. Need to find out what oil I need to put into it. So one tank, one pulley. I'm guessing that's for the pump. I'm guessing that one's for the pump. So one oil tank. Pulley. What else have we got? Oh, fan belt. And clips and general hardware. What's going on there? Yeah, general clips and hardware. Fan belt. Well, that's handy because I didn't think about that. Bolts, bolt kit, fan belt. What else we got? So this here is a new rod to go onto my existing rod, but I'm going to have to obviously lengthen this. One power steering pump. With obviously all the fittings blanked off, everything looking good. 2 hydraulic pipes, might have to remake them, who knows. We've got one end, and we've got 2 ends. Right, this is the bit we've been looking forward to seeing. And 1 ram. So obviously that's going to do steering. Yeah, and I'm guessing it's controlled by this bit here. So yeah, that's cool. Oops, don't drop it. And then obviously we've got the plate as well. Oh, that's a heavy old mountain plate. So all things told, it looks to be a good little kit really. Cool, that's a good heavy duty plate. I mean, look at that. That ain't going to cause no issue, is it? There we are. That's in the kit. Alright, let's open up this box. See how this has travelled. Ooh. Oh, that's travelled okay. Oh, it's got the latches and everything in. Just these handles. So that's good news. Oh yeah, I know. So, yeah, look at that, look. That's quite a nice little bonnet actually, and it even comes with all the latches already in. It's got the bonnet stops. That's more complete than I thought it was going to be, because I thought I was going to have to order latches in, but I just ordered some handles in for it when I got it made. I mean, it's still wrong. We've got to cut it open, make it fit around said turbo pipe. So, but yeah, I think we're going to have a bit of work to do. So that's it, another little video just to show you what we've been buying and what we're going to be fitting in the next few weeks. So we'll be doing the next video on that. It'll be a few weeks before I bring another video out, but there's a lot going on. We've got Reba racing going on, we've got a mower going on, and now we've got this, so it's enough to keep you busy for a minute. So until next time, be good, get to your projects. I'll see you again soon. Thank you very much for watching, and good night. Thank you.
I'm